Hi all, hope you're doing well. Notion has gained significant popularity and has generated a lot of hype in the productivity and organization space. So what is Notion? How do you use it to set goals and track progress? How do you use it to plan and deliver? How do I, as an aspiring YouTube creator, use it? And is Notion actually good? Let's find out, shall we? In simple terms, Notion is like a digital toolbox that helps you stay organized, work efficiently, and keep track of your ideas and tasks. It's like a digital workspace where you can create and customize different types of documents like notes, to-do lists, calendar, projects, boards, and so much more. Notion is known for its flexibility, meaning you can design it to fit your own unique needs. You can create templates and layouts that work the best for you and your specific task. You can easily switch between different views to visualize your plans, goals, ideas, and manage them. You can start by creating a new page here. This is going to be your workspace. These are different kinds of views available. Say for example, if you go with table, it's going to create a view with table. Here you can name it something like plans. You can start by creating a new database, and here you can start adding your entries. Now those entries are also going to reflect in all the additional views which you are going to add here. Let's go ahead and add a view called board. And you can also experiment with different views available. Another very interesting thing to check here is templates. You have a good amount of default templates available for different users. For life, you have these different templates like journal, life wiki, blog post, and you have something for students as well, student dashboard, syllabus, classroom notes. You've got something for product management, design, engineering, marketing, human resources, sales. You can go with a template which suits best your needs and your idea of management. Notion has some pretty cool ways to help you keep track of your thoughts and inspirations. You can start by creating a dedicated workspace specifically for managing your ideas. This will serve as a central hub where you can organize and categorize your thoughts. Notion offers various templates and pre-designed layouts that you can utilize for documenting ideas. You can also assign categories or tags to them to make it easier for you to search and filter. Now that you have a view of all your ideas in one place, carefully segregated, you can review them, their feasibility, and then flesh out the idea into an action item. You can of course modify your ideas as needed to keep them fresh and aligned with your goals. Once you pick an idea to work on, you can start by clearly defining your goals and vision of that idea into a project you can easily work on. Say for example, you can create a workspace like this where you have a list of all your projects and their current status, that is, are they currently in planning, in their progress, and are they finished, in the backlogs. You can tag them accordingly and manage your projects easily, creating a board like this. To manage my YouTube content delivery, I have organized my workflow into 4 different workspaces. Here's how they are structured. Idea management. This workspace is dedicated to organizing and categorizing all my video ideas. It helps me have a clear overview of different topics and concepts I want to explore in my content. Project management. In second workspace, I define projects for each YouTube video and keep track of their progress. Video release calendar. This third workspace helps me plan my video release schedule. Using a simple calendar view, I finalize the dates for the video uploads, ensuring a consistent and well-planned publishing schedule. The daily task tracker. Lastly, I maintain a workspace specifically for my daily task. This workspace serves as a clean and easy to understand tracker, allowing me to add tasks as they come and stay organized in my day-to-day activities. So is Notion worth it? Absolutely yes. It's a powerful tool that can definitely impact the way you organize and manage tasks for yourself in a much better and a streamlined way. The seamless syncing ensures that your data is always up to date, no matter which device you use. That wraps up my thoughts about Notion and my experience with it so far. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Let me know in the comments if you're already using Notion or if you're excited to give it a try after watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. Till I see you again in the next one. Cheers!